Did you know that one of the healthiest greens on the planet can become a silent health hazard if eaten the wrong way? Spinach is packed with nutrients, but a few common mistakes can strip it of its benefits, or even harm your body. In this video, we'll uncover the 8 most dangerous spinach mistakes that many people make every day. From ruining its nutrients to combining it with the wrong foods, these mistakes could be costing you your health. Stick around to the end to discover how to unlock the full power of spinach for optimal health. 1. Cooking spinach too long. One of the most common mistakes when eating spinach is cooking it for too long. Many people either sauté or boil spinach for extended periods, thinking they're ensuring it's well cooked. However, this destroys many of the nutrients, particularly water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and certain B vitamins. Studies have shown that cooking spinach, especially boiling, can lead to significant nutrient losses. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that prolonged cooking times caused a substantial decrease in vitamin C levels, with losses reaching up to 50%. In addition, key antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids also degrade during extended cooking times. To preserve spinach's nutritional value, try to cook it for a short amount of time. A quick sauté or steaming for 2 to 3 minutes is usually sufficient. If you must boil it, do so for no more than 1 to 2 minutes, and avoid throwing away the cooking water, as it often contains many of the nutrients that have leached out. 2. Discarding the stems. When preparing spinach, many people remove and discard the stems, thinking they're too tough or fibrous to eat. However, the stems are packed with nutrients and fiber, so throwing them away means missing out on important health benefits. Spinach stems are rich in fiber, which promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar, and supports weight management. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a high-fiber diet can lower the risk of heart disease and improve gut health. Additionally, the stems contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and magnesium. Instead of discarding the stems, chop them finely and include them in your dishes. Alternatively, you can use a technique called stem blanching, which involves lightly blanching the stems before adding them to a dish to soften them without losing any nutrients. 3. Consuming spinach raw with dairy. Many people enjoy spinach salads or smoothies, pairing the raw greens with dairy products like cheese, yogurt, or milk. While this seems like a healthy choice, it can actually hinder the absorption of important nutrients in spinach. Spinach contains high levels of oxalates, naturally occurring compounds that can bind to minerals like calcium and magnesium. When consumed with dairy products, which are also rich in calcium, oxalates can form insoluble crystals, making it harder for your body to absorb both the calcium in dairy and the iron in spinach. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that the presence of oxalates can reduce iron absorption by up to 50%. To maximize nutrient absorption, avoid combining spinach with large amounts of dairy. If you enjoy a spinach salad with cheese, consider using a dairy-free dressing or adding a non-dairy protein source like chickpeas or tofu. Additionally, consuming spinach alongside vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits or bell peppers can enhance iron absorption. For not washing spinach thoroughly, many people skip washing spinach or give it a cursory rinse under the tap. However, spinach is known to be a carrier of pesticides, dirt, and bacteria, all of which can pose health risks if not removed properly. According to the Environmental Working Group, EWG, spinach ranks high on the list of produce items most contaminated with pesticides. Pesticide residues can lead to various health issues, including hormone disruption and increased cancer risk. Furthermore, spinach leaves are delicate and can easily harbor dirt and bacteria in the folds of the leaves. To ensure spinach is safe to eat, rinse it thoroughly under cold running water. If you want an extra layer of safety, consider soaking the spinach in a bowl of water with a small amount of vinegar or a produce wash solution for 5 to 10 minutes to help remove pesticide residues. 5. Overconsuming spinach due to high oxalate levels. While spinach is an incredibly nutritious vegetable, it's also high in oxalates, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and may even contribute to kidney stone formation when consumed excessively. Many health-conscious individuals may overconsume spinach, thinking it's entirely harmless due to its nutrient profile. oxalates are naturally occurring compounds in spinach that can bind to calcium, forming insoluble calcium oxalate crystals that are difficult for the body to process. Over time, this can contribute to kidney stones, especially in individuals who are prone to them. The National Kidney Foundation reports that consuming high oxalate foods like spinach regularly can increase the risk of developing calcium oxalate stones. While spinach is healthy in moderation, it's important to avoid overconsumption if you are prone to kidney stones or calcium deficiencies. A good rule of thumb is to consume spinach in moderation and balance it with other low-oxalate greens like kale, lettuce, or Swiss chard. 6. Ignoring the risk of contamination in prepackaged spinach. Many people opt for prepackaged spinach, assuming it's ready to eat and safe to consume without any further cleaning. However, prepackaged spinach can be a breeding ground for harmful bacteria and pathogens, such as E. coli or Salmonella, which can cause foodborne illnesses. A study conducted by the Food Safety and Inspection Service found that prepackaged spinach has a higher risk of contamination due to handling during harvesting, processing, and packaging. While the packaging may be labeled as washed, it's still possible for harmful bacteria to remain, especially if the spinach is stored improperly. Always inspect prepackaged spinach for any signs of wilting or discoloration, and ensure it is properly refrigerated. Even if the packaging claims the spinach is pre-washed, it's a good idea to wash it thoroughly again before eating, as bacteria can still linger. 7. Pairing spinach with too much salt or fat. When preparing spinach, people often add excess salt or unhealthy fats like butter or cream to improve the taste. While a little seasoning is fine, overdoing it can turn an otherwise healthy meal into an unhealthy one. Excessive salt intake is associated with a number of health issues, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and kidney damage. A study published in the American Journal of Hypertension found that reducing salt intake can lower the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Additionally, high-fat additives like butter or cream can increase the calorie count of your spinach dishes, making them less nutritious overall. Instead of loading your spinach with salt or fat, experiment with healthier seasonings like lemon juice, garlic, or herbs. A drizzle of olive oil is a much healthier fat option and can actually enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins in spinach, like vitamin K. 8. Relying on spinach alone for iron. Spinach is often touted as a great source of iron, especially for those following plant-based diets. However, the type of iron in spinach is non-heme iron, which is not as easily absorbed by the body as the heme iron found in animal products. Many people make the mistake of relying solely on spinach for their iron needs, which can lead to iron deficiency. Research has shown that non-heme iron is much less bioavailable than heme iron, meaning your body absorbs it less efficiently. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that non-heme iron absorption is influenced by other factors, such as the presence of vitamin C, which can enhance its absorption, and oxalates, which can inhibit it. If you're relying on spinach as a source of iron, make sure to pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, or bell peppers to increase absorption. Additionally, consider incorporating other iron-rich plant-based foods, such as lentils, tofu, and quinoa, into your diet to meet your daily iron needs. While spinach is undoubtedly one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat, it's important to be mindful of how you prepare and consume it to maximize its nutritional benefits. By avoiding these 8 common mistakes, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of this nutrient-dense green and supporting your overall health in the process. So, whether you're enjoying spinach in a salad, smoothie, or cooked dish, remember to take care in how you handle it to reap its full rewards.